guys, what's good? This is a very random intro. I'm buying this staircase in my house. Birthday season is upon us. Today's the 18th. My birthday is on the 20th. This is such a random place to decide to make a video, but I'm about to make my hair at home. The stylist is in the house. I just wanted to show you guys like a before. I'm thinking of dyeing my hair. It's crazy how my hair grows. Thank you Jesus for hair growth. But yeah, I'm thinking of dyeing my hair a certain color. I don't know what this stylist is going to mix today because he's been giving me so many interesting ideas and all that. And then I was thinking of instead of just carrying my hair like this, maybe putting it up into something cute. So that's what I'm buying right now. I'll show you guys mix the dye in the house. And this app is better. It's so crazy. But yeah, like the lighting will be on my face. Like it'll be better. Who makes the video on this staircase? Me. Talk to you guys soon.
This I can get white. That is why I don't want to use much of this one. But with this I'll stay within the confine of the darkest gold ever. Gold, brown. But with this I can still get brown and white gold and white.
Yeah. I'm going to use a lot of the developer, not equal the amount of the dye, mostly is to strip it of that color and achieve some lighter tone.
It feels like relaxer on the hair though.
Yeah, it's as hot as that, but not as harsh as relaxer, so you wouldn't get as much
Is this
damage.
dye or bleach?
The stripping tones, then after stripping it to like a brown or a gold, then that becomes your canvas to create another color.
Wow. Wow. It's a genre.
Yeah, that would put it in a better shape. But naturally, there's nothing to put like to protect. Hence, it's not a heat process or. So I just have to massage it in. Though having a partition is actually a good idea to be sure that it gets everywhere.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so in this video I take you guys through the entire dyeing process from inception to the very end. And dare I say, Mr. Benson is the most thorough out of all the people that have dyed my hair, and I think I've used like a couple of salons. I asked him 1 million questions and he answered everything in detail. So first things first, as you can see, my hair is already changing color from the tips, and he decided to go with massaging it round before going into sections because he felt like that would be easier.
Yes, I did my hair last year.
But that hair, did you cut it off or you have the same hair?
I was on low cut.
Okay, you grew another one.
Yeah, I was on low cut when I saw it.
So now that this is like a first application, it's going to be so perfect.
Okay, so it's
We're
not
not
too
going
weak.
to have not too weak.
It smells like urine or what's this thing we use in biology?
Is it?
It smells cold.
Okay.
So after applying it round, he decides to go into sections and just partitioning my hair while applying it to the areas that are still dark, particularly my roots and close to my scalp, so everywhere is evenly toned.
I felt like growing my hair back. I grew it back again.
No, I've seen it, but just the name couldn't come back to me until you describe it.
Just want you.
What I will do will be to wash it off and reapply on the patches that I want to lift a little bit more to match.
Okay. Oh yeah, can we rinse it off? I like, can we actually rinse it off? Yeah.
It's hot, so
It's hot, yes. Oh.
But no, it's not going to burn or extremely uncomfortable.
Mr. Benson, it's okay, it's okay.
We should rinse this.
Yes, we should. Oof. Oof. Yeah, it's calm now.
You can see the shade?
Yeah, I can. I saw it clearly.
Different from yours.
Okay.
It's heavier and smoother. So
it doesn't look like it's the same.
yes. So if you straighten your hair, then it's not getting to your scalp. Then it's always going to color like
like when
Brown.
fire burns
Okay,
on.
I asked him if it was possible to use hair dye on clothes, and so that was his response, that it's possible, but it would always tend towards fire. Like, you know how clothes look like when bleached or hypopause on a black clothes, basically. That's what happens.
The sample you sent has slightly reddish tone, which you can achieve from wine. That is why I brought the second application. So I don't know if you want to still move towards that direction or you settle on this one.
Okay, so any color is fine.
Midnight love is special, yeah.
I also don't know if it was because my hair was already washed and like the initial application had been rinsed off, but the second application, it wasn't as hot or peppery or like uncomfortable. See, like I'm literally sitting still. And then from the initial time I dyed my hair, they always apply the dye last on your edges, because if they apply it first, because it's baby hair, the color will be lighter than the rest of the hair. So that's the area that gets the dye last. So we used a nylon bag to ensure the hair dye and color simmered into my hair, and afterwards he took it off. I cropped my face out because this girl was just dozing throughout and I can't embarrass myself here. But after taking off the nylon bag, he massaged my hair and just ensured that every aspect had the same tone, and then he rinsed it off. We used shampoo and conditioner to just wash everything off.
Romeo, I wish I could have met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me tell me.
The argan oil loosens and tangles your hair easily. You do have not cool. It is softer.
And the brand is so thick.
It's amazing.
If I'm editing the video, I'm guessing something that they have to pay.
She's missing Lily, the other dog. Because they just died this week.
I feel like that's the reason she couldn't.
And we can blame it on the guys who are talking in disguise. Got the body of a prince, but the heart of a simp. I need someone who's gonna love.
Okay, I'm not wearing my glasses, I really can't see them.
Is it? The bottom will be at the back.
At the back. Okay, but I think they prefer that actually.
And I'm talking about the Leo version of it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could have met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me tell me what would Juliet do. She keep on looking till she found the one like Romeo.
This will be the longest.
Yes.
Then most times I'm just interested in the final result. I don't really do everything.
Yeah, I want something classy.
He decided to do a flat twist, and honestly, I was just going with the flow. We were initially contemplating the center part, then he said, oh no, he has a different idea, let's make it a side part. And like I said, I was just going with the flow, because he would always say, I can just look at a person's face and create a hairstyle, or just think of something to do. And look at my face, look at how I'm popping already. You guys, the end result, I mean, y'all would have seen it already, but it looks so beautiful.
Yeah, I want something classy. Picnic with my best friend.
Just look at how beautiful the flat twist turned out. I mean, look at the lushness. Look at it, look at it. Next, we started to crochet in the attachment. This attachment I found at home, honestly. So he just ensured everything was the same length. We're putting in strand by strand. We didn't exactly fill in every line. No, it wasn't that. It was just enough to ensure that it wasn't too scanty. You guys will see it as we go on.
Strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard that.
I'm doing it just like flat twist on the ground.
Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling.
His initial intention had been for it to be a side ponytail, and I just carried it around. I was like, I've never seen anybody have a side ponytail, and I just don't want too much attention. So after I saw how it looked by checking the back, I was like, I think I want us to wrap it around. So we wrapped it around and saw that it was too slim, but it wasn't as full as I would have liked it. So we added more. We finished crocheting the other attachment, and so that gave it the volume I wanted, and afterwards we wrapped it.
Leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart, will tear just like after.
You want it to cover.
Yeah.
See, you don't intend to let it down, huh?
I'm not sure for now. Yeah.
I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling.
I think I just need to be like a 360 to be able to see what your hair actually looks like. Thank you so much, Mr. Benson. I'm grateful.